How to log into CIBC online banking account. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video presentation, I'll guide you on logging into your CIBC online banking account. So let's get started. First of all, you have to open your preferred web browser and then type in cibc.com in the search bar and hit enter on your keyboard. Then this will take you to the official website of CIBC, from where you need to simply locate the login portal in the right-hand side of the screen, where it's indicating the card number and the password in order to sign in. So in the first field, enter the correct form of your card number. And if you'd like this Google Chrome web browser or the system to remember your card number, simply check this box. But if you're using a public or shared computer, do not check this box for the security reasons. Then enter the correct form of your password in the second field. And in the case if you have forgotten your password, simply click on the reset your password link in order to reset your password for the login process. For that, you have to enter your card details such as the card number, which is of 16 digits, and then enter the card expiry date, then the phone number on the file, and click on next and follow the on-screen instructions to reset your password. And after you have entered the correct form of your card number and the password in the first and the second field, click on the sign in button highlighted in pink color in order to successfully log into your CIBC online banking account. And if you haven't registered yet, simply click on the register button in order to successfully register for a new account. So this was all about it. If you found this video helpful, please consider leaving a like and subscribing for more helpful tips and tutorials. Thank you for watching.